Annual home maintenance essentials that protect your investment. Homeowners face a familiar problem every year. Small issues quietly build until they become expensive emergencies. Annual maintenance is the solution that keeps a home safe, efficient, and comfortable while protecting its long-term value. When approached with intention, these tasks form a rhythm that turns ownership from reactive to confidently proactive. 4 key takeaways. Preventive maintenance is always cheaper than emergency repair. Most major systems benefit from at least one annual inspection. Written records increase resale value and simplify future work. Small tasks, done consistently, protect large investments. Why annual maintenance matters more than you think. A home is a living system, not a static asset. Seasonal weather, daily use, and time itself all place stress on structures and systems. Annual care helps catch wear early, reduces surprise repairs, and preserves resale appeal, especially when documentation is kept current. Exterior checks that protect the structure. The outside of your home takes the brunt of sun, wind, and rain. Walk the perimeter once a year and look closely at siding, trim, and foundation lines for cracks or gaps. Clear gutters and downspouts so water flows away from the house, not toward it. Inspect the roof for missing tiles, shingles, or flashing damage, especially after heavy storms. Interior systems that deserve a yearly look. Inside, focus on systems that quietly work every day. HVAC units should be serviced annually to maintain efficiency and air quality. Check under sinks and around toilets for slow leaks, which often go unnoticed until damage spreads. Test smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms, replacing batteries or units as needed. Organizing maintenance records the smart way. Home maintenance creates paperwork, invoices, warranties, inspection notes, and manuals. Keeping these documents organized saves time and reduces stress when repairs or upgrades are needed. Many homeowners now digitize records so everything lives in one searchable place. Using an online tool to convert files to PDFs allows you to store receipts, photos, and service reports in a consistent format that works across devices. Explore this related resource. Digital files are easier to share with contractors, insurers, or future buyers, and they protect critical information from being lost or damaged. 4 tips for creating an annual maintenance flow. Use these tips to move through the year efficiently, without feeling overwhelmed. Start with safety checks like alarms, handrails, and exterior lighting. Move to water-related areas, including roofs, gutters, and plumbing. Review mechanical systems such as heating, cooling, and ventilation. Finish with cosmetic touch-ups that prevent deeper wear. Common tasks and when to handle them. The timing of maintenance matters as much as the task itself. The table below shows how homeowners typically spread work across the year. Task area. Best time of year. Primary benefit: HVAC servicing, spring or fall. Energy efficiency. Gutter cleaning, autumn, prevents water damage. Roof inspection, spring, early leak detection. Appliance check, anytime, extend lifespan. Safety alarms, year-round, protects household fire theft. Below grade areas, year-round, rising damp, water penetration through walls. Driveways, concrete patios. Expansion joints, anytime, cracking concrete. Damaged expansion joints leads to water damage, concrete cancer, rusting rail, erosion under slab, and more. Questions homeowners ask before scheduling maintenance. Before committing time or money, homeowners often want clarity. Annual home maintenance essentials that protect your investment. Some tools. What tools or tradespeople will I need? Is annual maintenance really necessary if nothing seems broken? Yes, because many issues develop slowly and silently. Annual checks are designed to catch problems before symptoms appear. This approach reduces both repair costs and disruption. Can I handle most maintenance tasks myself? Some tasks are DIY friendly, like changing filters or testing alarms. Others, such as HVAC servicing or roof inspections, are safer and more effective when handled by professionals. A mix of both usually works best. How much should I budget each year? A common rule is 1 to 3% of the home's value annually. This range covers routine care and minor fixes without financial strain. Planning ahead avoids sudden, large expenses. Do maintenance records really matter when selling? Yes, buyers value proof of consistent care. Records signal responsibility and reduce perceived risk. They can also speed up negotiations. What happens if I skip a year? Skipping often means paying more later. Deferred maintenance compounds, turning small repairs into major projects. One missed year can undo several good ones. Should I hire a single service provider or multiple specialists? That depends on the home and your schedule. Some homeowners prefer a general service coordinator, while others hire specialists per task. Consistency and documentation matter more than the model. Closing thoughts on annual home maintenance essentials that protect your investment. Annual home maintenance is less about chores and more about stewardship. By checking in on your home once a year, you protect its systems, your budget, and your peace of mind. The payoff is a house that ages gracefully instead of expensively. A little attention now ensures comfort and confidence for years to come. Choosing the correct maintenance materials such as those found on this website will also reduce maintenance because of the longevity of the repairs. Unsure of what is required, feel free to send us an email and we will attempt to answer your inquiry.